So I know I don't talk in my videos because I usually have a lot of background noise. My kids are always playing and screaming, but I'm gonna talk in this one. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is put your stove on high and you just simply add all your ingredients into the pot. You don't have to chop anything up or go through the trouble of making a mess. So I'm gonna start off with my onions. They are small, so in this case, I'm putting 2 whole onions. All I did was take the peel off of it. I wanna put 1 green pepper. Sorry about that. I had already chopped up and had it frozen in my freezer, so it's chopped. I'm gonna add 5 cloves of garlic. I have 3 little small bay leaves. You're gonna do half a teaspoon of sugar. Just dump it right in. A little bit of ground cumin. Just a little bit. And then of course, black pepper to taste. Whole oregano is the one that I have here. I mean, you can use ground. Some salt. You never want to overdo your salt. You can always add salt later on. And just a little bit of white vinegar. Just like that. And then I know you see this complete seasoning, and I just add that later on. You'll see when. Stir everything together. One thing that I didn't mention earlier is extra virgin olive oil. You do want to put some extra virgin olive oil just like that. Once it starts to pressurize, you want to move the temperature from high to medium high and cook for 30 minutes. So we've reached the 30-minute mark. I turned off the stove. I'm waiting for the pressure cooker to settle down so I can release the pressure. Now I'm going to slowly release the pressure.